What's up, YouTube? So on the community tab, I asked you guys, should I react to Chainsaw Man? And 76% of you guys said yes. So that's what this video is. We're reacting to Chainsaw Man Episode 2. What you're probably wondering is, Mike, if you're reacting to Chainsaw Man, why are you starting with Episode 2? It's because I already watched Episode 1 of Chainsaw Man on my own time, and then I'm like, this show is so good. Probably need to react to it. It'd be more fun that way. So I'm not reacting to Episode 1 unless you want me to react to the dub. I haven't seen the dub. I've been watching it. I watched the first episode, I should say, in sub. So if you guys want to have the first episode reaction out there, that can be a way to do it. That'd be a fun workaround, I guess, to kind of fix that problem. But we're starting with Episode 2. I'm really excited. Can't wait to get into it. If you want to hear my thoughts on Episode 1 of Chainsaw Man, I actually talked on the Amateur Otaku podcast about it. Video is linked right up here and in the description down below, so you can check that out if you want to hear my thoughts on Episode 1. But yeah, let's jump into it. Can't wait to see what's happening with Denji now that he's fused with Pochita. I don't know what's happening. Let's jump right in.
Denji 君はこれから私に飼われることになります。返事ははいかワンだけ。いいえなんていう意味はいらない。鑑識課の知り合いから聞いたんだけど、使えないうちの犬は安楽死させられるんだって。
What? She really wants this man to bark. What the heck? No one's ever been nice, got it. She's kind of cute, but she's crazy. Okay, slow down. You love her? Seriously? Serious. This intro is kind of funky, I'll say. This is an insane intro. I love Mappa as an animation studio because they're just so dang good. This intro alone is some of the best animation I've seen all year. In any series, any movie, it's just so dang good. Mappa, they're the GOAT. He lives in you. Is that new information? You have a chainsaw face. It's not new information, right? Unless Denji's just kind of dumb, I guess. That's a possibility. That's weird. He's okay. What is Denji though? He's just a street rat. Slow down. Slow down, man. It's only been has it been a day yet? Did he at least get his shower first? He's pretty dingy, am I right? So is this like 2D CG and a hint of cell shading in the animation? Regardless, the mixture is still so clean. Ooh. Ooh. That's dirty, Denji. Hey, he wasn't particularly nice, but that was dirty. Wow. Okay. I know Denji's got like a bloody nose, but that's too much, man. Calm down. That's fair. He's got nothing else to lose. It is fair. Stop with the nuts! It's like 10 hits! That's Denji fights dirty. And I can't even say that's gonna help him in a fight with these devils. Not devil, ma'am. Oh. Wait, so he has to do this? That, I mean, he's got no choice. I wouldn't like that. I wouldn't like that. Oh, she saved both of you, huh? That's cute. That's real cute. I mean, wouldn't taste terrible, but that's just way too much jam. Ooh. That's gross. He said turn into the Chainsaw Man, bro. Yeah, I mean, I get it. And he made friends with Pochita, so... You creep. You're... okay. The port is secured. He needs to kill him. Okay. He wants to touch her boobs. Okay, sure. Whatever, Denji. You are a weirdo, man. Maybe? No. Boobs. This man's entire journey is gonna be to touch boobs. Boobs? Power? She's a fiend. She can just wear a hat? They flee whenever she's around. Hayakawa. That's funny. That's funny. I mean, that's more Power's fault than Denji's, right? The game is afoot! Ew. Sea Cucumber Devil. Whoa. She's a bloodbender? She's insane. She's insane. This is a new outro. Okay. Alright. I love this guitar. So, I also love the art style in this outro. It's different from the main show, but it's still really good. Already love Power in her relationship with Denji. She's the kick in the pants he needs, I'd say. Life was a little too easy there at the beginning, so throw a curveball in there. That was Chainsaw Man, episode 2. What a wild ride, guys. I loved meeting Power. I love getting more information on this world and what the Devil Hunters do. Makima is also a fun character. Denji, my boy. Maybe boobs are fine. That's okay, whatever. But like, he's too adamant about it. It's getting creepy. And I hope he finds a new goal in life once the boob thing is done. Hopefully that's a season 1 thing and not the entire series he's waiting to touch some boobs, because that wore thin after this episode, let alone the rest of the series. But if they make it funny, what do I care? But yeah, that was episode 2 of Chainsaw Man. Let me know what you guys thought of the episode in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss all of my other reactions to Chainsaw Man. We're going to episode 3 next week. With that said, have a fantastic day. See you guys later. Peace.